Mob shit, that's my shit. Play with it, then you done quick. Paramedic, yo bitch ass, I'm turned off in that lazy grass. Hater blockers don't see your ass. My bad, he RP. Catch your ass, you RP. Stay disciplined, family mission. Sending shots down, how you miss? Goons over here, we ain't worried about shit. Yo, niggas, bitches, I just admitted. I'm fucked with the can, let's get that straight. I knew some guys that catch that too. Left young, that who's the last? So for them guys, I'ma go hard. For them guys, I'ma go hard. Yep. And we be steady mobbing, marching down your block, cause my niggas full of anger. Chopper on my back, I got a trap full of bangers. People say they doing numbers, we don't see no neighbors. Nah, superstar, I'm not one. Hood nigga, I was born that. Nowadays, bakers get cooked with that toaster. That's why I'm not no poser. I work to work like yoga. Stretch first, then flip that. Yo, bitch love my beer belly. Shout out to my vatos, we get it and we out here. You niggas don't know the half, but you pussy niggas better have. I fear none, you fear none. Okay, cup and they tenfold. Copy that, let's get it on. Gun show, let's hear it, bro. BOM, we out here. Yeah. BOM. We out here. BOM, we out here. BOM. You already know BOM. BOM, we the mob, nigga. Yeah. BOM, we out here.
What's my biggest problem? I swear my biggest problem. Them fake ass niggas I don't like to be around. Now how do I solve it? I take this damn 30, bust 5 shots, watch his ass hit the ground. What's my biggest problem? I swear my biggest problem. Them fake ass niggas I don't like to be around. Now how do I solve it? I take this damn 30, bust 5 shots, watch his ass hit the ground.
Clock in, clock out, dedicated to the lifestyle. Trapping all day, got me feeling so paranoid. Cause I believe in karma. So if my alarm goes off, then it's time for war. My mama be my motivation when I'm out here getting it. We ain't have a happy home, so I'm out here getting it. 14 years old, what a whole thing. Like Jeezy said, you think you ballin' cause you got a block? What? I think I'm ballin' cause I'm calling shots. Youngest nigga on the team, but the fans call me coach. Cause I'm out here making plays, trying to get that gold ring. Going hard like Kobe, but some niggas don't notice me. But I ain't trippin' cause that money keep me focused. Fuck a nigga, fuck a bitch, it be that money what I'm loving. Got a shit, God's a life, cause I'm just like a rat. I'm addicted, I hunt for that motherfucking cheese.
What's my biggest problem? I swear my biggest problem. Them fake ass niggas I don't like to be around. Now how do I solve it? I take this damn 30, bust 5 shots, watch his ass hit the ground. What's my biggest problem? I swear my biggest problem. Them fake ass niggas I don't like to be around. Now how do I solve it? I take this damn 30, bust 5 shots, watch his ass hit the ground.
BOM, we the mob. It's time to get it poppin'. Yeah. BOM. BOM.